Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video of the rebuild series. Just wanted to clarify what happened last week. I'm very sorry I didn't really record any videos, of course. Had a little mental health check as well, but I'm good back to normal. I was thinking about uploading the video yesterday, but of course, Monday, it was a crazy day, of course. Mostly, if you guys don't follow basketball, the NBA Finals, it was a very good Game 6. Well, no, I'm sorry, a Game 5 against the Nuggets Heat. And, of course, the Nuggets are 2023 champs for the first time in franchise history, which is a very cool historic moment as well. Of course, Jamal Murray and Nikola Jokic deserve the title, of course, and as well many players like Jeff Green, Aaron Gordon, and also Bruce Brown and many others as well. So it's a really cool moment, of course, and a very good game. So congratulations to the Nuggets as well, and very good, fair play with the Heat. These guys, 8 seed, and they doubted everyone, and they got back into the NBA Finals seed as well, and it was a very good game, and it was pretty much hopefully more games to be like that for next season. So I can't wait for that. But also, of course, just want to say we're getting more stuff, more cars are coming in as well, more vids will come in soon. And some other things as well. But if you guys drop a like and subscribe, you guys know, let's get right back into it. So where we left up was when the G20 finished. So this is what pretty much uh, what we did was when this was primer down. This is when it was finished. The paperwork, one of the paper, the blankets, everything to cover. So any primers to get anywhere to the windshield or anything that then it's basically unnecessary. But here's another angle. This other one as well. This is supposed to be saying the it said Bueville on the logo when we use well basically the donor fender, and now it's basically the Chevy Van 20. So that logo, of course, has been broken up, but still, we had a good chance trying to fix it and use it back still, which you can see in the next photo. This is what it took an awful paper and the blanket. It looks good as well. As well, it's gonna be sanded out again to be painted. The cowl covers as well been primered down. The hood, I did not take a photo, but it's been primered down as well. Interior and exterior side, and this is pretty much what was done. So it was done last week. It was done on Friday. I was supposed to upload a video, but I didn't. So bad of me. But also, this was on a Friday with a nice sunshine as well. It looked pretty good. It looks nice. And there was some other things we had to do, of course, such as the striping. We didn't have this metal striping as well, but the white striping we did. So we did that on a Saturday. But mostly, of course, the one thing was obviously wasn't doing right was AC. So we didn't know how to charge the refrigerant. So mostly, of course, we told the owner on the Saturday when he picked up, hey, we could take it to a AC shop to see what they can do. Because mostly, of course, we didn't have much time, and also, of course, uh, it's a pretty much it's a really old car. And mostly for me, of course, I don't know how to add refrigerant in this type of vehicles. And look at how much compact stuff they got in this car. But of course, it's a bunch of things as well. But that's what you get when you're working on old cars. But it's a pretty cool project. It was a really fun build. Stressful, but at least we make the car looking back to normal again. And also, this one, the C300, has been finished and been released as well, just like this, because of course my dad didn't have that much time. We didn't have much time to the shop, and it was taking space. But at least we got the car, basically prepped up for anytime the owner wants a decision to paint it. We could paint it, or you could take it somewhere else. It doesn't matter, and we don't mind. But everything looks good. Align everything: the bumpers to the tail lamps, to the trunk, to the front end of the fender, the hood, and the front bumper, and the two headlamps as well. There's some other missed pieces as well, but of course, it's a crazy car to work in. But hey, it's not. It's basically what any body shop you're gonna work on the worst cars to the best cars to the cars that you get yourself more stressful. But interior wise is what we give a good claim because it had leftover glass, and it was a very clean interior. I really kind of do like the Mercedes interior in this car. It's pretty nice. Next photo, just front end, how much things we did as well. And you see the grill, it's been missing. Well, the grill we did had, but it's been, I think, doesn't work. It doesn't work for this bumper, or it's basically broken. Next photo, other side as well. Not that much things, as well as the door been refixed as well. This was it was pretty much scratched up, and we almost about to replace it, but mostly we just fixed it as well. Aluminum, it's great. Other side again, four corners, just like pretty much what I'm doing. And this is pretty much on a Saturday. This is when we washed the car up with a date when it's delivery day. Very nice, the paint. It really looks good. As well as basically we did kind of do a little bit of some buffing because we could see some overspray on the hood. So we did that on the Saturday as well. Came out very clean. Cleaned the car, washed the car. Of course, there was some things that we had to wash. Of course, the hood and the roof as well. But of course, the paint is dying off. The clear is dying off. From all the doors is dying off as well. But of course, we might expect the owner to make a decision to respray because it'll be nice to see this thing back to the original color and make it look like a dealer car back. But that's pretty much it. This is pretty much all the things we had for delivery day, and other things as well. Lots more cars as well coming up in the next couple of days. More videos as well. Of course, just showing how much things we're having or we are doing as well, and some other surprises into the future as well. But if you guys, I just want to say again, I apologize for the videos not coming up in that week, but this week you'll expect very more, and in the middle of June as well. So if you guys do like this video, drop a like and subscribe, to see more car content as well, and also check out the other car content we have in the channel as well, such as other rebuilds and some other things. So I'll just say to you guys a very good night and have a nice good rest of your week.